Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine y squared equals to cosine 2y plus 1 over number 2. Now we need to change this one into this one. Next, number 2 and number 2 we simplify. Next, x multiplied by cosine 2y and number 1. Now I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the x. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only cosine 2y in here. And we have negative number 2x sine 2y. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. We have dy in here. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So that is about this one. So we see that this one and this one, they are same by negative 2x sine 2y. So this is about exact. Now I need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one plus gsy. So the integration of x, we have x squared over 2 cosine 2y. And we have x squared over 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. So this one we have negative number 2 x squared over 2 sine 2y. The next one we don't have y, so you got 0. Number 2 and number 2 we simplify. And we know that this one is same with this one. Now we simplify negative x squared sine 2y for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. And we have y squared plus c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to this one. And fxy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.